Drain 1 can of salmon and put that in a bowl. Salmon is already fully cooked, the canned salmon, so there will be some little bones in it, but they are cooked and very, very soft and nutritious, so there's really no need to remove those. Just go ahead and break that up. Add in 2 eggs. Mix that a little. And I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic, about 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. You can just add that to your taste. And I have a little over 2 cups of breadcrumbs. I toasted some bread lightly and then put that in my blender, which made making breadcrumbs very, very easy. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix this up. And you may not want as many breadcrumbs as I use. I like a lot. So you could actually use 1 cup if that's what you would like. And just keep mixing until you get that all thoroughly incorporated. I've got a skillet preheating over there with just a little bit of oil in it. Doesn't take much. And I'll probably fry these for about 3 minutes on each side. Just check yours to see if they're at the desired doneness, and this should be a golden brown. Just depends on how you like them. It's really a simple recipe. That should be good enough. I'm going to use a measuring cup. You can use any size you like to just get the patties as close as possible in size. And this, on this size, makes about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 patties. Can mash those a little better. Make sure they stick together. And there you have it. Quick, easy, and very tasty salmon patties. Enjoy.